Yes, sir, it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gain. So, stock futures rises ahead of first trading day in 2022, guys. U.S. futures rose on Sunday, giving Wall Street, a good look for the start of 2022, guys. Starting off on the right foot. So, we're looking forward to markets to be on a uptick starting this January, coming towards the end of the month. Hopefully, we can, it could start at the beginning of January. But I'm looking for the real bull run for the market to go bullish towards the end of the month in January. We could get a little taste of the pie a little early on, starting next week, the week after. We could get a little taste of the pie, but before the market is really getting to full effect into a bullish thesis, I do believe that we're coming towards the end of January. Now let's go ahead and talk about AMC, The Last Dip. I do think, and I've been saying this in the previous videos, that I think this will be the last dip before AMC starts to recover and actually starts to run up for real, and not just have bull traps, run up, get stopped out, get rejected at 32. So this will be the last dip that we need in order to get the demand and the buying pressure from the people eating up these cheaper shares and giving us that slingshot effect as we cup and handle back to break above that main resistance that we have to get through before we go into bullish sentiment, which is 32.35, guys. So I do believe on this last dip as we pulling back now, because we told you guys on Friday, we had thought, we didn't want to get ahead of ourselves just because it was looking good and we ran up testing near 30. I'm pretty sure a lot didn't think, we could go right back down to the low 20s because it was looking as if we was ready to run. But we knew not to get ahead of ourselves. We knew we could easily come back down and retest those low 20s because we had that gap fill. We had expected to come back down to the low 20s. We came down to 26, and then that's when we ran back up to test 30. And now on Friday, it looked as if, by the way we ended, as we ran up, came back down, it's looking as if we could still go and test those low 20s like we was expecting. So I do believe that is still bound to happen, guys, but I believe this is the last dip. Going into next week, I hope it can happen all at once instead of slow bleeding, following us, instead of trickling down each day, creating lower lows. Hopefully we could just go ahead and have one major dip to go ahead and get it out the way, so then we could go ahead and start, uptrending, working our way back up to those all-time highs, guys. So I do believe this is the last dip, guys. That's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my thoughts and opinions. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Just want to give you guys a quick update on AMC. I love you guys. We out, and God bless you. We gone.